Hello everybody and welcome back. I had a poll on which programmer to tear down. In the previous video we tore down the winner, which was the Microchip ProMate 2. This is the second runner-up. It's a bonus. I'm going to do a teardown on this Xilinx HW130 programmer. So it's going to be a very basic teardown. I'm not going to go too in-depth on these. I will have a blog post on this. The link will be in the description. So if you want to see more detailed photos, you're more than happy to go to that post and see the photos. Show you this thing. It powers up. I'm going to sit there and blink, go through its self-tests, and it powers up. So here is the adapter. Not going to take this adapter completely apart, but I think it's got some gold. Looks like it's got a little bit of rust. We'll pop this thing open here. I think the socket's a EBT 104-40066 4754. Here's the information. 9-volt DC 2 amp. HW130. You're going to have to pop the feet off of this. Sometimes these come off easy. Sometimes they don't. I think this one had some moisture issues. Yes, might have moisture issues. It's warm out today, so there's not much to these programmers here. They're pretty much specific for the manufacturer devices. Sometimes when you're doing chip programming, it's a lot less expensive to go out and buy the manufacturer's programmer or a development kit than it is to buy an adapter. Or to find a programmer that will support the chip. It's just a business. So I will be tearing down this week. If everything goes right, I'll be tearing down the other units. Okay, ready for this? Let's see what's inside this. It's not a lot. Are those captured? No, they're not. They're just being stubborn. So there's not much into this. This is just going to be a quick teardown. Looks like that's the socket connector on the back, which is a little odd. Looks like it's got a shield. Ooh, we got firmware. We're gonna have to back that up. So we have that on that chip. Anytime I see something socketed, I back it up. Let me zoom in here. Go real slow. Get different angles so you can see the chip numbers. At least they zip tied it in. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna... Let me go medieval on this thing. Shouldn't do no damage unscrewing these. Just break them loose. And yes, I will take that chip out. Let me get that clipped right now. Way we can get a good picture of that prom. Get the software version. I can't read that. That's just 27C128. I'll pop that out and read it. Give that a backup, that way the public and world has it. I don't think this is going to come out that easy. It might. Sometimes they put these programmers together to where they're a pain in the rear. Ah, there we go. Okay, inside you got a shield. And here, this is all that's on the back side. You power supply guys out there. Well, that would be it for this teardown. That is the Xilinx. Get a picture for the YouTube thumbnail. And that is an HW1-130 programmer. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. It keeps me motivated. And if you want to see more detailed photos, this should be in the description, or a link to the blog post in the description. So we'll catch y'all later.